The first step in finding the mean of group data is to add a new column to the frequency distribution, and that will be our midpoint. And we'll refer to that as X, because we'll use that in our formula later on. So we're going to find the midpoints of all the classes. So 0 up to 5 would be 2.5. 5 up to 10 would be 7.5. 10 to 15 would be 12.5. 15 to 20 would be 17.5. And 20 up to 25 would be 22.5. Our second step is to add a new column to the frequency distribution, which will be our frequency multiplied by X. So we're going to take these two columns and multiply them. So 2 times 2.5 gives us 5. 7 times 7.5 is 52.5. 12 times 12.5 is 150. 6 times 17.5 is 105. And 3 times 22.5 is 67.5. The third step in finding the mean of group data is to add the numbers in the column from step number 2. So what we're going to do is take all of these numbers and add them together. And when we add all of those numbers together, that gives us 380. Our next step, step number 4, is to add the frequencies in the frequency column. So when we add all of these together, that'll give us the total number of observations we had, which is 30. In step number 5, we're going to substitute. So our 380 goes into our top part of our formula, and the 30 goes into the bottom part of our formula. So that will give us 380 divided by 30. And our last step is to do our calculation. When we perform our calculation, it comes out to be 12.6 repeating. And given that in our original data, or what we were using in our group data, has no decimal places, we are going to answer with a mean of 13. So the average number of hours studying is 13.